Hi everyone, all are welcome to our class. Today we are gonna enjoy class 5 English for today, unit 2, lesson 7, activity J. Topic is sound practice. At first your teacher will make sound, you will follow, then you will repeat. Okay. Is for fan. Is for band.
Is for band.
The fan is on the band. Vine. Grapes on a vine. Fine. I feel fine. I like grapes from the vine.